Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is my Halloween decor video. So I'm getting ready to show you all the decor I have in my room, plus what I have outside for 2023. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, we're going to start over here. This is one of my DIYs I made last year. Got it from Dollar Tree. So I got that. This is my thunderstorm machine. I just don't have it batteries in it or anything yet. This is my setup here. These are the ones I bought this year. That's the ones I had before. These are almost dead. Those are basically dead. Those both supposed to slide up. It's bats. I have bat earrings, which I like. I have this bracelet that I have had for as long as I can remember. My grandma gave it to me for one Halloween. And these cat pumpkin earrings. I have these Halloween themed hand sanitizers, Bath and Body Works. This is another DIY I did last year from Dollar Tree as well. Put a light in it. See, that makes it look cool. And also, as soon as I'm showing this, you will see the lights turned off in my room, and you will see how everything looks like all lit up. So, there's that. I got this little witch from Rob. She's right there. There we go. That's her. This little skeleton here. This little doll I used to play with at my grandma's house. I put a little bone in her hair. You can see it's got a little skeleton hand on it. And then my other hair accessories. This is my black cat pumpkin. If you remember pumpkins. It's a shadow. And I have these little issues back here. Cat on a pumpkin. My two headbands that I got from Dollar Tree one year. And then this mask I did this year for DIY. That I got from Dollar Tree. I saw it on TikTok and I was like, I have to get that because it looks so vintage to me, which I absolutely love. So we have that. Up here I have my little witch and my little ghost finger puppets. I have a pumpkin ring, this little black cat keychain, and then back down here we got Batty the Bat, this haunted Halloween music tape that I've had since the 90s. That we used to play every Halloween. Sheets the Ghost, Jack Skellington, and Sally, and two more Sallys. And then up here, we have this pumpkin that I made out of clay back in the 90s in art class. And then my Winifred Sanderson snow globe that I got from Spirit Halloween last year. This was actually topped to one of my flashlights. It was a flashlight with a pumpkin top from back in the 90s. The flashlight died, but I still have the top and I have a light underneath of it, so it still looks cool. Spinner the spider. And then this haunted house we have had for as long as I can remember, and it used to make sound. If you listen really closely, you might be able to still hear it, but the eyeballs still light up, so. Alright. I don't know if you can still hear it, but it's really, really faint. I don't really know what happened to it. And then I have this Halloween tic-tac-toe keychain right here. That is all of this over here. And then we have here is that cat pillow I got this year. And my pumpkin that I've had since basically the year I was born. In my chair. Over here, we have my haunted house DIY with a little light behind it. My purple and orange string lights around my bookshelf here. This thing that I got from CVS last year, I believe, and it still does its thing. And then these little things I put up this time is fake spider web with these spiders that I actually got from Dollar Tree, which they actually still had this year. I did see them. So I got those. There's an orange one and a purple one with the fake spider web. And then I got the light up ghost from Dollar Tree. I wanted to get the pumpkin, but I should have got it at the same time. I didn't think about it, so I was only able to get the ghost. So I went back, and they had none of either, so, of course. And then I have my pumpkin lantern down here that I usually have. This is the other light, like the pumpkin one that I showed outside. But this is the black cat one that I always hang in here. And then over here is my Halloween projector that I got from Dollar Tree this year. And that is everything in here. You also see outside, like I said. So, showing that. And next, you're going to see what my room looks like with the light off. So you really be able to see what this projector looks like and how cool everything actually looks. So let's get to that. Alright, here we go. There's the projector. They actually had a Christmas one, which I had no idea. It was just at Dollar Tree, and that's when I found out that they were all gone. We'll see if they get more. I had no idea they were going to have a Christmas one too, but that's the projector. It looks really cool. There's the light over there. See, it's Black Cat and the Moon. My pumpkin lantern thing there. Here's my string lights. Might need the batteries changed here and that shortly. But there's the haunted house. It looks like a flickering candle behind it. That looks so cool. That came out really well. There's my ghost light. And then over here we have the ghost with the flashing eyes. That little pumpkin right there. And then this one right here. And that's what it all looks like with the lights off. Yes, my fan is right there, but it's just where the projector is. That is so cool. That projector is pretty cool. So yeah. And again, I almost forgot to show this. I made this last year or the year before. I had an idea. This was the first one of these I ever made. So that's my Halloween God's Eye up there, which I almost forgot to show. Okay, so here are my outside Halloween decorations. It's at night, obviously. This is the best time to see it, but I do have these string lights. I got these at Walmart a couple years ago, but you can see they're like spider and web lantern, but it's a string light. I don't have very much, just a few things. But those are those. And I do have a pumpkin flag out there, but as you can see, it's a little too dark to see. So, those are the lights on the bush. And then, over here, oops, pine cone. You can see it up there in the window. I do have a pumpkin light that's actually on the inside, facing out, obviously, but we have that in that window. And I have the Black Cat one in my room, which you've seen. And then I do have this skeleton flamingo right here. So that's about it, except for this spider over here. Oh, I almost forgot about this thing. It's a reflector. We used to put them at the end of the driveway when I was growing up. I also have this one, but the sticky part broke. He put in the ground. And here's the spider. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my 2023 Halloween decor of my room and outside. And if you did, please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to click that little bell icon so you know when next video is coming out. And as always, all of our social media will be linked in the description box below. And happy Halloween!